Ready? Yeah. You want to press it? You want to press it?
Sirens.
Want to hear the siren? Ready? Go ahead. Turn it all the way over to this one. Move the switch over. There you go. You want to see it? Hop out and see it. Yep, hop out and see it.
Come here, Adam.
Oh, they don't have any on top anymore, do they?
No, they took it all away.
Oh, wow. That's because we could spot you guys a mile away.
No, it's all the wind noise from the resale
really?
value. When they go to resell and there's holes in
Oh, look here. Look at the front.
Wow.
Cool. Well, that open house is going to love you.